Afternoon to everyone. This is the power of healing with Utabi Ungowe Ketelo. So I was asked guys to explain angel numbers ne? In depth. Like in zone explain nje kancane. Now guys, you must know when we are taught in spirituality or indlela esiphiwe ngayo asifundiswa ngokufana, and i-spirituality asisenzi ngokufana noma asisipractice ngokufana. However, what I know is that spirituality is not generic. It's not one size fit all. I've always said this. It's not one size fit all. So I'm responding to usisi Shembeng busy ngikhuluma naye kuma-DMs ngathi ngicela ukuyi-explaina lento so that people understand how to work out ama-angel numbers and how they work ne. Abantu bazothi makuyinumber so it's a warning or it's evil spirits. Guys, it doesn't work that way ngendlela engifundiswe ngayo. However, ngazi abanye abantu bafundiswe kanjani. So people who are gifted with a tarot card reading would basically tell you how angels numbers work in their own space. People who work with crystal stones will tell you or people who work with crystal stones, gems, elements of nature, will tell you, or astral projections will tell you how the angel numbers work. And then nabanye abantu, somebody said yena beka occult, so it works this way. It's depend ukuthi kuphi. Mina I'm going to share what I know from my space, ne, working with the 6 elements that I work with. So ama-angel numbers, guys, they don't just, it's not something that of ohlala uyibheka njalo, they don't work like that. Angel numbers appear everywhere and anywhere, but they appear at a certain time and they appear in different places. Like for instance, ungathi uzidrivela nje and then your attention is shifted to in-number or Google billboard. Uthi usesitoro i-attention yakho be shifted on something with numbers. That's how angel numbers work. It's not something that ohlala uyibhekile uhlala uyilindile. It doesn't work like that. Sometimes uthola ukuthi, especially with our phones, your phones will vibrate numbers at a certain time. Do you understand? Ungathi mhlambe uthi ubheka coin, you are drawn to them. They actually draw you to them. They draw your energy or your focus to them. Ne? That's the first. Now, what do angel numbers, how do angel numbers work? Ne? Usually they are an indication of the frequency in which your energy is vibrating at. They are an indication of a frequency in which your energy is vibrating at that moment. If today your energy is vibrating highly on, let's say, things like finances, the angel numbers will come as an indication of a message for that particular situation. If you are vibrating about, say, maybe a child being sick, an angel number will come as a message. So your guidance or your guides, your guidance or your guide are working in that way, or they work in that way. They don't vibrate on everything that's happening kuwe, or they vibrate good frequency kuyo at that moment. Do you understand? So, but what I know is that there's only a high frequency. It's not the whole day. You understand? There where you vibrating highly, guyo is a message, or maybe when your energy is high on something, then messages of lapho, and angel numbers of lapho. That's the direct message for that frequency, for that vibration and energy at that moment. So asebenza kanjalo mina for what I know. So what you know is for angel numbers, give me is totally different, guys, and it's understandable. That's why ngithi mina Angiphikisi nix in spirituality. So I was just highlighting with how do you read angels numbers for people who were asking me kuma direct messages, how do you read them? I do hope that ngimsizile usisi ngendlela bekabuza ngayo. But let's not confuse things. Angel numbers are not generic. Give me, it might speak about finances. Kube kube warning. We might see the same number, but kube kube warning. Give me kube. It depends on the frequency in which you're vibrating in. It's not ukuthi one size fits all. It applies to everybody because we are not in same situations ngokufana, but we might see the same number at the same time. Yeah, so I do hope that I've helped. If I have helped, ngiyabo.